Alright, back with the Ninja.
Got the shorty exhaust on. Pretty straightforward, took about 5 minutes.
Already started up for the first time.